that curve super early. Remember, slow hands there, guys. Turn that wheel slower on the first initial input. You want to make that a late apex. Wait for the apex, then squeeze that throttle. Slow hands here. Keep coming down to the curb. There you go. Nice job there, Michael. Brakes coming in, looking left, doing great back there, Oscar, just keep looking ahead, drive to your comfortability level. Good job there, Michael. Squeeze that throttle on the way down. For turn 7 here. Nice job. Looking good out here, guys. Slow hands, come down to that apex late. Nice, good job. Now you can roll on that throttle a lot sooner. We're going to brake here. Remember, coast across the crest. Remember, Ron, we want to get on those brakes at that brake cone coming into 3. We don't want to wait till the last minute to get on those brakes. Nice job there, Michael. Alright, we're going to slow it down coming into turn 6 here. Gonna get ready for our next rotation. Good job here, guys. Slow it down there, Ron. Ron, you're going to stay behind me here. I'll get Oscar up behind you. Oscar, keep coming down behind the purple 100 here. And then Michael, fall behind that red 99. Alright, looking good.